Hello students, this is Preeti Damle, your English teacher. Students, today we are going to study a poem named The Last Bargain, written by Rabindranath Tagore. Now the poem is about someone looking for a job. However, he wants to be hired without losing his freedom. The poet tells us that he received offers from the rich, the powerful, and the beautiful. However, he turned them all down. At last, he met an innocent child. He immediately accepted his offer. Now, I'll give you the para-wise explanation of the poem. So, here I begin. Come and hire me, I cried, while in the morning I was walking on the stone paved road. Sword in the hand, the king came in his chariot. He held my hand and said, I will hire you with my power. But his power counted for naught, and he went away in his chariot. So here, the first offer came from a king. It's early morning time, and he had more of power than wealth. He offered the poor man who was walking on the stone paved road, stone laid road, his power in return for the man's labor. But the man, however, felt that the king's might, the power, was not worth much. It was for nothing. And so he refused the king's offer, and henceforth the king moved on in his chariot. Okay. Second para. In the heat of the midday, the houses stood with shut doors. I wandered along the crooked lane. An old man came out with his bag of gold. He pondered and said, I will hire you with my money. He weighed his coins one by one, but I turned away. Okay, in this para, the poor man is offered the second agreement, a second bargain, and it is midday when it was really very hot and the houses were there shut with the doors. Now, an old man offered him a lot of gold in return for his labor. Yes, now this poor man was not at all much impressed with the wealth, with the money the old man showed him, and therefore he refused the offer. He was not at all attracted towards him. Next, it was evening. The garden hedge was all aflower. The fair maid came out and said, I will hire you with a smile. Her smile paled and melted into tears, and she went back alone into the dark. So now it's evening time, and there was all natural beauty around. There were flowers in the hedge which were blooming. At that same time, a beautiful girl came to the man, and she gave a pretty smile. She offered him her smiles in return for his labor. However, the man found that her happiness was only sorrow in disguise, since the smiles fainted and there were tears in her eyes, and henceforth he refused that offer also. Okay. Next he says, the sun glistened on the sand, and the sea waves broke waywardly. A child sat playing with shells. He raised his head and seemed to know me and said, From henceforward That bargain, struck in child's play, made me a free man. So now ultimately, the old man, the poor man, came to the seashore. He was tired, and there he found a child who was playing with the shells. Now, the child offered to take his services in return for nothing. Obviously, the child would not be able to pay anything, but the man accepted the offer because while playing with the child, he was still a free man. He had that satisfaction, he had the peace of mind, he was happy as he was not bound with anything. So we can say that the poem is bringing up a strong message for this materialistic world that no power, money, or lust can make us happy. Okay, students? Thank you.